Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable guest checkout in WooCommerce. This feature allows customers to complete purchases without creating an account, which can streamline the buying process and potentially increase conversions. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store to access the right dashboard. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see a variety of options for managing your site. Look for WooCommerce in this menu and click on it. This will expand to reveal several additional options specific to your online store management. From these expanded options, click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the core configurations for how your WooCommerce store operates. You'll now be on the WooCommerce settings page. Take a moment to look at the top of the page where you'll see several tabs. These tabs organize different aspects of your store settings. Click on the tab labeled Accounts and Privacy. This section controls how customer accounts and privacy settings work within your store, including checkout options within the Accounts and Privacy tab. Look for the Checkout section. Here, you'll find a checkbox that states Enable Guest Checkout Recommended. This is the key setting we're working with today. If the box is checked, Guest Checkout is enabled, meaning customers can buy from your store without creating an account. If you want to disable guest checkout and require account creation, simply uncheck this box. Conversely, if it's currently unchecked and you want to allow guests to check out, check the box to enable it. After you've made your selection, scroll down the page until you see the Save Changes button. Click on it to apply your new settings. This ensures that your preference for guest checkout is properly saved and will take effect on your store immediately. And that's it. You've successfully configured guest checkout for your WooCommerce store based on your business needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.